Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create Reels on Facebook Lite. Simple and easy. Let's get started. First, launch the Facebook Lite app on your phone and here log into your account if you're not already logged in. Then tap the three horizontal lines located top right corner of the screen and scroll and find the Reel section. Tap to open it. Then at the top of the Reel page, tap on Create. Then, here to select and record your content, you have the two options. You can choose from your gallery. You can select your photos or videos, save on your phone, or record directly. Then here you can edit your reel. You can select the recording and edit your reel. You can trim your clips, add text, stickers, or effects. You can also adjust the music or audio. Then post your reel. Once you are happy with your video, just simply hit post and your reel will be shared to your profile, visible to others depending on your privacy settings. And done! You've successfully created a reel using Facebook Lite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!